Week's Try It Tuesday, I stopped at the produce stand just south of the bridge and I grabbed tamarind juice. I have no idea if it is a fruit or a seasoning or what it looks like in its natural state, but let's see what it tastes like. I know it's flavoring that goes on candies and some drinks, but it's almost like an applesauce flavor. Not at all what I expected. I thought it would be more spicy. But this is, I mean, oh my gosh, it's almost like an apple cider. Very smooth. It's ice cold. Like that's very refreshing on a hot day. You can see all the water behind me here over on the dock by Go Fish Belize. So tamarind juice I like as well. I'm batting like 1,000. So far I like everything I've tried in Belize. Make sure you try the local foods, fruits, and stands when you're here and enjoy your stay.